हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू जर्नी टू द ड्रंकन कुंफू यूट्यूब चैनल। मैं बहुत दिनों बाद फिर से आया और आज मैं फिर से आपको आयरन फिश टेक्निक सिखाऊंगा। थर्ड वाला पार्ट जो बाकी रह गया था। और आज मतलब बहुत प्रॉब्लमेटिक हो रहा था, इसलिए मैं अपना मतलब मेन फीचर्स नहीं लेके आके डायरेक्ट मैं आपको हैंड से दिखा रहा हूँ। तो पिछले बार मैं ये वाला टेक्निक ऐसे ये वाला फिंगर टिप से, फिर ये स्ट्राइक वाला, और फिर ये पीछे स्ट्राइक वाला, और ये सामने स्ट्राइक वाला, और ये ऐसे स्ट्राइक वाला मैं दिखा चुका था। मीन्स आई हैव शोन यू अबाउट फिंगर टिप्स and side strike like knife chops, and back strike like this, and front strike like this, and this one from this side, and the left part is the main punching like this one. Okay, and more things are left, but today I'm going to capture about this, and I'm talking about what will be going to happen and in future, and what you will practice it and what you will get after practicing it. And don't point the background noise, because in neighborhood there in neighbor there is renovating their home. They are renovating their home, so I am starting about punching. So let's see this from this finger. Means like there are three types, this and this. From there we will punch, and this part means wait, this part. I am holding the camera so I can't show you, but I am trying to show you this part like this. I am showing. This will be going to very hard, but you have to practice with both the hands. Like wait, I am showing you this. These punching techniques are very important for the next practice. Okay, let's see the punching techniques from both the hands. Like this, you have to punch. Means I can't show you the from there because I punch the balls of my home. So there is nobody to hold the camera now. So I'm showing you here my almost iron fist technique ground. Okay, this is, let's see now. Okay, I am going to hit with my hand. Means I will punch 20 times with right and left hand, and please follow it, and you can send me. And if there is you will need a challenge, then I will show you about 50 punch first, then I will show you about then 100, then 200, then 500, and finally I will show you about 2000 punches. Okay, and the final target of the Shaolin temple is 2000 punches or 2000 times strike with fingertips, or side chops, or like any type of iron fist technique or iron palm technique. You have to first training with that, and I will make you make the challenge. Okay, and first you have to learn this. Okay, let's see. I don't want to make it a long video, so let's start now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18, 19, 20. Okay, 20 with this. Let's see the my hand. See this. Okay, where is you looking the? If you see the white types of cement, okay, there you have there is building your strength of iron fist. Okay, let's see with left hand now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, from both the hand I have done 20 punches, and now you have to do with these techniques. Now you have to do with these techniques. I have given you 5 striking technique of iron palm, and the next week if I can try, I will send you about iron fist next technique. I will try to make it 2 striking techniques. Okay, now thank you. Bye everyone. Let's make it this much only. So bye and take care everyone. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.